Alto TX410 review. Is this portable PA speaker worth it? Looking for a compact, powered PA speaker for events, presentations, rehearsals, or small performances? The Alto TX410 offers a 10-inch woofer, Bluetooth, and up to 350 watts of peak power. But is it worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Alto TX410 is a two-way powered PA speaker built around a 10-inch low-frequency driver and a 1-inch titanium diaphragm compression driver. It has a 90 by 60 degree coverage pattern, helping distribute sound across a wider area. Alto rates it at 350 watts peak and 175 watts RMS, with a frequency response of 75 Hz to 20 kHz and maximum SPL of 117 decibels. That makes it suitable for many smaller venues, presentations, DJs, rehearsals, and stage monitoring applications. One of the main advantages is its simple setup. You get a combo XLR and quarter-inch input for microphone or line-level sources, plus an XLR mix output for connecting another speaker. There's also a 2-channel mixer and a contour EQ setting for music playback. Bluetooth 5.0 adds convenient wireless music streaming, while TWS allows two compatible TX410 speakers to be linked wirelessly for stereo playback. The speaker weighs around 15 pounds and includes a top handle, making it reasonably easy to move. It can also be used as a main PA speaker or floor monitor, and the enclosure has a standard 36mm pole mount. However, there are a few limitations. The TX410 isn't battery-powered, so it needs AC power. It also doesn't offer an advanced mixer, app control, or the extensive connectivity you get from more expensive PA systems. And while the 10-inch woofer provides useful low-end, you shouldn't expect dedicated subwoofer bass. Overall, the Alto TX410 is a straightforward choice for anyone who wants a compact, powered PA speaker with good output, Bluetooth, and simple controls. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what product you'd like to see next.